Hello everyone, this is Roianne.Buystedt and I'm here in Junction City at Guarantee RV. I'm going to show you this 2020 Winnebago Navion 24D. It is a Murphy bed model. It's only 24 feet long. It's a Mercedes. It is a diesel unit on a spinner chassis. Like I said before, this unit is only 24 feet long. It was specifically designed for the Northwest, so we have more windows so you can see more light in here. This is a manufactured engineered flooring with Corian tops, hard surface countertops, TV right here. These units have push button open. You just press once and pull and the cupboard's open. All of them are that way. Up here we have a nice solid bed up here. This flips down to make a queen size bed. These two chairs turn around so that this can become part of the living room area, and these are your booster seats to boost you up so you're not sitting really low. These two right here, these fold up or lift up so that you can have more leg room, and the table can turn sideways. This is what makes this unit so unusual. It's the Murphy bed unit. This right here is your main bed. This couch, this piece right here, the legs pop out and the unit folds down to be a bed. This is a queen size bed. You can just keep it down and just use that if you'd like to just use this as a living area. This is a apartment size residential fridge and a rear bathroom back here. This is one of Winnebago's newer units with the Murphy bed. It's in hot demand, so if you would like to see this or any other unit here, please give me a call at 541-636-7862. Thank you.